don't want to damage the brake lines. Okay, remove the old brake pads, slide one back, slide one forward. So these are our new brake pads. I'll show you something. You can see the thickness of the new ones and the thickness of the old ones. That's why we're changing it. Now the new brake pads don't have any clips, nothing on that. These ones have clips, so we're going to remove this clip and the back metal piece over here to install the new ones. Okay, when taking them out, you need to make sure, remember, either this one goes on the up side or the bottom side. As you can see, the new ones, they've got one space over here, one space over here, so we need to remember we need to put them on the bottom side. Okay, and this one usually comes out with a screwdriver. Remove both of them to put them on the bottom side. I'll show you how it goes. So this one is the outer, this clip. Okay, if you can see, so you can see there is one lock over here. This one, the lock part, that needs to stay out. Okay, so that's how it's gonna go. You just slide it in. That's it. Okay, now from the old brake pads, take out the metal clips, and we just easily slide in. That's it. For the new ones, same for the second one. They come with two strips. Take them out, put them in. Okay, now how I do, I first install the brake pads. For an installation, I think you guys can see it clearly from here. Is it visible enough? Beautiful. So that's a metal clip, goes on the downside. Just put it here like that, slide it in. That's it. Same goes with the back one. Over there. Slide it in. Beautiful. Okay. Now we have to install it back. Screws go back over here. Same for the next one. You don't have to push too much force. That's it. Now you have to just yes. So these ones are very important, very important. Most of the people don't know that if they get stuck, you can mess up with your brake pads. So whenever you reinstall the brake pads, always make sure you put grease on the back and then install them back. Let me bring like this. You can use any kind of grease. You can use any brake grease. You take a little bit out. Okay. Install over here. like that.